Hello dear ones, the monsoon is finally in full swing in Mumbai. After a long wait, the city has been battered by heavy rains over the last few days. And during the monsoon, walking along Mumbai's coastal line is one of a kind of experience. That's why I'm at the gateway of India today, right now. And if all goes well, you will get to witness the high tide. According to the internet, it is expected at 8:12 a.m. Now it's already 8 a.m., 8 o'clock. Let's go and see if that is right. The sea is very rough, the skies are dramatic, and the usually busy area looks completely different on a monsoon morning. Before exploring other parts of the city, let's see what Mumbai looks like when the monsoon truly takes over. Watching the huge waves crash against the walls along Mumbai's coastline during the season is truly amazing. I never miss coming here during the monsoon. The waves seem a little less powerful today, but you can still see them trying to wash over the boundary walls. Sometimes they rise much higher than this, and that is when nobody is allowed to stand near the promenade or even here where I am standing. This muddy water is a result of heavy rain washing soil and fine mud into the sea through rivers, drains and creeks. Although the rain has been falling continuously and the sea is quite rough, the wind activity is thankfully low. That's why you don't see huge waves crashing over the sea wall, which is a common sight during the monsoon. And if the winds were stronger, it would be almost impossible to stand on this promenade, as powerful waves would be crashing over it and drenching everyone nearby. The rain has left the road looking smooth and glossy, almost like a mirror. You can even see the beautiful reflection of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel shimmering on the wet surface. The wet roads make walking so peaceful without any dust or pollution, and the cool breezy air is what makes the monsoon my favorite season in Mumbai. And right now I am at Regal Circle. Now let's make our way to another of my favorite monsoon spots here, Girgaon Beach. I'll be taking a bus from here that goes there directly. Okay. A 15-minute bus ride from Colaba brought me to Girgaon Beach. So this is the Girgaon Beach, one of the most popular coastlines in South Mumbai, located next to the upscale Malabar Hill area. So this is the beautiful, very popular Girgaon Beach or Girgaon Chowpatty. But now entry to the beach has been restricted due to the heavy rain and the rough sea conditions. I'm a bit puzzled because today's high tide was at 8:12 a.m. So I thought the tide would be low by the afternoon. Then why are the beach authorities still not allowing people to enter the beach? I don't know. Since direct access to the beach is restricted right now, I decided to enjoy the view from this beautiful viewing deck, which was built by the BMC Mumbai Municipal Corporation a couple of years ago. It's a perfect spot to take in the entire Girgaon Chowpatty and the stunning view of the Queen's Necklace. The mist in the air partially hides the view today, but it's still one of the most breathtaking sights in South Mumbai. And this deck is also quite beautiful with flowering plants and seating areas for the public. Whether it's the monsoon or any other time of the year, this place is quite popular with the locals. The sky appears dense and gloomy, covered with dark clouds that seem ready to burst into rain at any moment. The dark, gloomy sky and the stormy weather make this place feel as if it is straight out of an adventure film. The towering clouds, powerful winds, and crashing waves create a wild, untamed atmosphere that's both thrilling and mesmerizing. And of course, the view of Malabar Hill with its magnificent buildings overlooking the coastline is truly a wonderful sight. This area and its surroundings are considered one of the most prestigious and traditional parts of Mumbai. Walking through its peaceful tree-lined streets, you can really feel its timeless charm and rich heritage. The quiet lanes around Girgaon have a timeless charm that is hard to find in a busy city like Mumbai, lined with beautiful British-era residential buildings that have been lovingly preserved. These streets still reflect the elegance of a bygone era. Ornate balconies, graceful facades, and old architectural details tell stories of city's colonial past. Walking through these peaceful tree-lined lanes feels like stepping back in time where history, heritage, and everyday life continue to exist side by side. Now I am entering the premises of a Grand Road railway station. You can see the elevated public walkway that passes over the road, allowing people to cross safely without having to deal with the traffic. And now I am at the Grand Road railway station. I'll hop on a train from here and get off at Mahalakshmi station. From there we'll head to our next location, Haji-Ali, in this rainy weather, and let's go and see what's happening there. And if possible, we'll also visit Haji-Ali Dargah, which is located out in the sea. The views from there should be fantastic, so let's go. The rain is kind of let up for now, but even if it stops for 5 minutes, the heavy downpour starts all over again the very next minute. So this is the Grand Road railway station, which is under renovation now, I think. I'll just come out of Mahalakshmi railway station, and this Mahalakshmi railway station area, Mahalakshmi, and Haji-Ali is just about 10 minutes walk from here. This is the Mahalakshmi station. Though we have been to Haji-Ali before, this is not our first visit. Today we are heading there to witness the huge waves crashing over the narrow causeway leading to the Dargah, which is about 500 meters from the main road, from the highway. Okay, let's go. And this is the road that connects Mahalakshmi railway station to the Haji-Ali area. It's one of the busiest roads here. And this is Haji-Ali Circle or Haji-Ali Naka, one of the busiest locations in South Mumbai. But here too the gate is closed, probably because of the high tide. The gate is closed. This is the causeway leading to the Dargah. Walking down the causeway might be risky right now, that's why they have closed it, but no worry, we'll capture the scene from the promenade. I'm sure we'll get a very good shot from there. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness, there are hundreds of people here right now. This is the newly opened Haji-Ali promenade, so you could watch the waves crashing over the causeway from here. You don't need to walk through the causeway to witness this spectacle. So let's go, let's watch it. Wow, this is amazing. Can you see that? These powerful waves crash against the narrow causeway. Towering sprays of water rise into the air, creating a breathtaking spectacle that draws countless visitors. The roaring sea, dark rain clouds, and cool ocean breeze make the entire scene both beautiful and awe-inspiring. It's a reminder of nature's immense power and the unique charm that the monsoon brings to Mumbai. Oh my God! Thanks to this newly opened coastal promenade, I don't need to walk over this closed causeway to witness this spectacle right now. This is truly fabulous. And this guy selling sweet corn here. The rain is kind of let up for now. That's why I'm able to walk down this promenade right now. Otherwise, it is nearly impossible because of the heavy winds and downpour. The rough sea and the thunderous roar of the waves create an atmosphere that is both thrilling and humbling. Every crashing wave echoes with immense power, while the salty sea breeze and mist fill the air, making visitors feel completely immersed in nature. Standing by the shoreline, watching the relentless waves collide with the rocks and the causeway is an unforgettable experience. So that's all for now. I'm signing off. See you next Friday, same time. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Take care. And don't forget to check out my videos every Friday, 5:45 p.m. IST. Okay, bye-bye.